Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In today's video, I'll try to compare the loudspeaker test between the Poco F3 versus the Mi10i device. As you can see, friends, so both phones do have the dual loudspeaker setup, and let's see which phone will be having the better advantage in terms of the volume. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Techer, and also don't forget to check the links in description for what live wallpapers I'm using, and exactly all the phones which are reviewed in my channel will be categorized each and every playlist. So don't forget to check the playlist for more details about each and every smartphone, so individually. So let's begin the test, friends. First, let me try to show you the physical differences. So both phones, they're having the same kind of bottom speakers, as you can see, same kind of holes as well, same direction, and on the top you do see this kind of small holes which is present in this Poco F3, where the audio will be kind of better on the top side, as you can see here. And whereas in this Mi10i device, the audio is integrated into this earpiece which is on the top. So there are a lot of holes are going on here, from starting from ear to till ear, so many holes, so which you may not be noticing in this video, but there are a couple of holes over there. So these are physical differences between both the phones. So now let's move to the software thing. What are the options you are getting in this both phones? So here in the sound effects, so let me try to show you in the sound effects. So in the sound effects, as you can see, friends, both phones are in the same kind of differences, so sound effects, but in the Mi10i device there's a option called Hi-Fi audio, as you can see, friends. So which is present in this Mi10i device, which is the Hi-Fi audio system, which is in the Poco F3. It may not be present, unfortunately, but right now we'll be testing only the loudspeaker. This doesn't apply at all. So in the preset value, I'm trying to use the smart option in both the phones to make the test kind of even, as you can see here, friends. So now let me try to play the same audio file in both phones. So let's see which phone will be performing better. So make sure to check the links, friends, for more interesting live wallpapers as well. So there is so many live wallpapers which I reviewed in my channel. So if you are new to my channel, that is how I do all the reviews as well. So make sure to check those. And right now I'm trying to open the audio file in both the phones at the same time. Let me try to start playing. So I'm trying to use the default music player application in both the phones. So I'm not using any kind of third-party music player. So let me try to start playing the audio first in this Mi10i device. So maximum it went up to 98 decibels. So now let me try to start playing in this Poco F3 device. So both phones are having the same kind of output, but Mi10i has got slightly better volume output, I would say, definitely. But right now I'll try to play the audio files alternate in both the phones, so you might be able to feel the difference right now. So let me try to play the audio alternate. So starting with the Mi10i. Poco F3, Mi10i, Poco F3, Mi10i, So as you can see friends, this is the quick comparison between both the phones, and for more information make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I'll try to do a lot of other comparisons between these two devices as well in the future. So make sure to comment below friends what are the other videos you want me to do as well, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.